TESOL, TOEFL, and IELTS. A lot of people are getting confused because have been asked like, hey, I want to go to the US, I want to study there, but I don't know which one of these certificates are required to get admitted, or when I want to apply, I want to know which one should I use. So to know the difference, let's get right into it. Welcome back to my channel, and this is Asna again, sharing insights into the differences between three essential acronyms in the realm of the English language. So simply put, TESOL is a certification to teach English. IELTS and TOEFL are two different things. They are English tests. So let's start with TESOL. TESOL stands for Teaching English as a Second or Foreign Language. It's basically for those who aspire to teach English to non-native speakers across various contexts, whether it's on a classroom setting or online. The primary requirement for TESOL teacher are basically broad, but the first thing is you just need to get certified. To get certified, you have to finish or complete a TESOL course. For the US, you have to have a bachelor's degree, and you have to finish 120 hours of training, including class observations and teaching training and teaching practice. So those are the requirements, and that's what TESOL is. But let's move on to TOEFL and IELTS. TOEFL stands for Test of English as a Foreign Language, and IELTS stands for International English Testing System. Those are the same thing, basically the same thing. They assess your English skills in writing, reading, listening, and speaking. TOEFL, though, is a test that is mostly required by universities. Most US universities will require this as part of their admission requirement for international students who don't speak English. So they want to see your level of English. For IELTS, though, it's basically the same thing as TOEFL, but it has a slightly different focus because it is accepted by a variety of institutions like universities, immigration authorities, or people who wants to hire foreigners or who wants to hire abroad, and they want to see your level of English. So they want you to take the test. And there you have it. You might want to know what are the requirements for TOEFL and IELTS, because I didn't share that. Because there is none. You just have to look into the university's website, or if you are getting hired for a job, then just ask them, what score do I need to get? Ask the universities what score is the minimum score you guys are accepting, so I can get into your university. Or if you are gonna do some interviews regarding immigration, ask them like, hey, what is the minimum score? So that's why I said there's no requirements, because it all depends on who is asking you to take the test. So there you have it. The differences between TESOL, TOEFL, and IELTS. Whether you are aspiring to become a language teacher, pursuing higher education, or even just enhancing your global mobility, understanding the distinctions between these three acronyms is very crucial. So thank you for joining on today on the Diplomat. If you feel like this information was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And feel free to leave a comment or question in the comment below, and I'll catch you in the next video.